Hey everyone, it's me Tinsley from blissandfaith.com, and I'm actually back with a video. I know it's been 10,000 years, but I'm finally back. Really looking to revive this channel into a planning, financial slash budgeting, and even potentially lifestyle channel. So I'm so happy that you're joining me today. I'm definitely going to try to be uploading, if not at least one video a week, a couple of videos a week, like I said, on the aforementioned topics. And if you've been with me since the beginning, then you know I used to be kind of a beauty guru, hair YouTuber, but I have since moved on to a different kind of phase in life where I'm a mom. I have three littles, and so my life is focused around basically wrangling kiddos all day. And I love to plan. I run an online shop called Bliss and Faith Papery, which you can find over at blissandfaith.com. And I sell planning resources and accessories. So if you are a planner, aficionado, or part of the planning community, you can absolutely check out my shop over at blissandfaith.com. It is also on Etsy, but I will tell you now that I have a larger selection and a better selection of products over my website. And there are also better prices over there. So I want to pop on today and share with you my newest release in my shop. So I recently got this Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner in, but I'm going to do a little walkthrough of this in another video, but I want to use it as a reference for this video, so that's why I have it. So what I'm here to share with you today is my monthly budget kits. So we kind of, if you've been following kind of the trends lately, then you may know that budgeting is kind of all the rage. It's kind of the new thing on the block. And so, yeah, I was definitely into planning, but I did not know there was this whole budgeting thing going on. I had been listening to actually Dave Ramsey for a number of years, but just never really got into planning like that. So, or at least budget planning like that. So I've always been really interested in getting my, I've always been really good with money in general, paying bills, keeping a budget, things like that. So I never really felt the need to do like a hard budget, but now with having a family, especially kids and things like that, it's really easy for things to kind of, get out of hand, or, you miss something. And all too often I have had a situation where, something came out and I wasn't aware of it, or didn't think about it. And I had on auto pay or something like that, or maybe something came up that it's only due a couple times a year. And for me, for whatever reason, I signed up for Amazon Prime last year and I canceled it. But for whatever reason, they put me on the monthly plan. So I don't know. I got to call Amazon about that. But that was one thing that happened, that it hit my account and I wasn't expecting it. So it's things like that if you're able to, now granted that was actually Amazon's fault, but it's things like that happen where you'll have a bill that may hit your account. Like for me also, I have a Victoria's Secret card. And so occasionally I'll spend either at Victoria's Secret or at Bath and Body Works, because you can use the card there as well. Occasionally I'll spend on that card and will completely forget. Well, I won't forget, but it's just I don't really keep up with it as much, or in the past I haven't, because it wasn't all the time bill that came out. So anyway, that's another reason why I think that budget planning is so awesome. And I just want to give a huge just hats off, shout out to Michelle Plans and Shay Budgets. I was super inspired by their spreads and their use of the Erin Condren monthly deluxe planner or deluxe monthly planner to do their planner spreads in, and they were some of the first that I actually saw using these types of kits. A lot of I'm sure these kits have been in the market for a while, so I'm by no means just saying that they're the only ones that use them, or I know Shay Budget, she actually has a shop. Feel free to go visit her shop. She has some beautiful kits as well. I carry kits in my shop, which I'm sharing today, but she has some really beautiful kits as well. They're just as comprehensive as mine, and I was very inspired by her, like I say, Michelle's, and then a couple of other YouTubers here. I know there's Caffeinated Kate and a couple other people that make kits as well. But for me, I was already making weekly series kits in my shop, so it wasn't that big of a thing for me to just format budget kits. So that's what I ended up doing. And because for me, I am very particular, I like things a certain way. And I just like my kind of style and take on things. Not saying there's anything wrong with what anybody else is doing. Absolutely not. And I'm 100% supportive. I buy stickers and other items all the time from other shops. But I just know what a lot of times I can't find exactly what I need for me. And that's one of the reasons why, even with selling the regular weekly stickers for the Erin Condren Planner, that's one of the things that kind of motivated me to make stickers, make my own weekly sticker kits, which are in my shop, blissandfaith.com. So that's just kind of how I work. I'm really particular, and for me, it's just easier for me to make my own. And once I make it, if I feel like it can serve others, then I'll put it up in my shop. And if people, choose to indulge in it, or they like it and want to use it, absolutely great. It just helps me to support my family, which is, definitely something that is super important to me to help supplement income and help support my family. But anyway, so as I digress, I wanted to get back into kind of introducing this kit. So, and again, I will link Shay Budgets and Michelle's channels below. Like I said, you definitely check out those two ladies. Michelle has a shop. I think she sells a lot of functional stickers, character stickers, and things like that. I don't think she does kits, if I'm not mistaken. And then Shay Budgets, she doesn't do weekly kits, but she does do budget kits. And I think she does other like budgeting and financial functional stickers. So be sure to check them out. And everything that I mentioned in the video from my shop, you can find on blissandfaith.com, and you can find a Etsy shop, although I don't always update it as much. And again, the prices are better on my website. So let's go ahead and jump into, I'm just going to make sure I'm in frame really good. So yeah, I think I'm good. And basically, sorry, I'm sitting down on the floor, so if y'all see like my knees or whatever, which I hope not. But basically, this is my March monthly budget weekly kit, or March monthly budget kit. I need to change that actually. This is just a test print for myself, because it is not a weekly kit, although there are places in the kit that you can use by the week, so I'll go over that. But basically, in this particular kit, this is for your notes pages. So I have my planner here, so we'll just flip to March since we're into March. And so these pages are in the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. You have 4 pages in behind each monthly spread. So you have the one on the back of the right side page. You have a whole blank front and back blind notes page, and then you have another front and back notes page. Now this page actually goes to the next month. So that's how it works. So you have 4 pages to plan your budget, or to do whatever you want to do. But I'm going to be using this planner for the sake of budgeting purposes. And I did order this planner last week from ErinCondren.com. She actually had a sale going on for the St. Patrick's Day weekend, and all her planners were already 40% off, and then she had another 20 or 25%. So at the time of filming, I think the sale went off the other day for the additional 20 or 25%, but I think her planners are still 40% off. So you can use my referral link in the description bar below to go grab your planner. You do get a $10 off coupon for signing up and making your first purchase, and I think it gives me like a $10 or some points or whatever. And I will, if I'll choose to support. And that way, absolutely, you don't have to, but I do want to do some giveaways and get back on this channel. So, with the ways that you support, so if you buy, any stickers, or you get a planner from Erin Condren, I would love to do some giveaways and things like that. But of course, I can only do that if, some people watch and they support. But in no way do you have to. You can just go straight directly to ErinCondren.com and pick up a planner. You can choose to use my referral link. Doesn't matter to me. Do whatever you want to do. Just get a planner if you want one. Anyway, so basically how this is going to work is these stickers are sized for pretty much for the longer lines on the notes page. So this is the main kit, and it is 2 pages. For the main monthly budget kit is 2 pages, and you have income source, bills, expenses, debt, sinking funds, and then you have a total of 6 total stickers. And I'm going to do a video where I'm laying this down. This is the March kit that I really made this like into March, but it was so beautiful, the artwork that I used. I'm going to go back and kind of back budget March. But then you have income source, bills, expenses, debt, sinking funds, as I said before. Then you have a total of 6 total stickers. You have 4 paycheck or pay week stickers with the little totals over here. So if you're going to do a kind of week to week or paycheck to paycheck budget, you can use those for that. Then you have a total of 8 bill due stickers. You have some script text down here, so monthly goals, next month's goals, cash envelopes, upcoming, and then I've included a washi strip for you. So that is the kit that can be used on the notes pages. Now I have created a supplementary add-on which you can use for your spread. So what I've done is you have a header here. So basically it'll go pretty much like that, and it is large enough where it will cover the weekdates. I may change that in the future, or I just may add the weekdates into it. Just kind of depends. But you know, basically your header washi here, your header washi strips, and then you have a total of this time 12. So you have an additional 12 more bill due stickers. You have some thinner pieces of washi you can use either on this page, or you can use throughout the the monthly spread. But I recommend using them to wherever. Just get creative. You can use them on the notes pages as well. Just want to include some additional washi because you can never have too much washi. Then you have savings, investments, paid off transactions, and then 4 no spend stickers, and then 2 little icons, a little credit card, and a little money bag. The next page of the add-on has, again, we already talked about that larger piece of washi that goes across the top over here. And then you have debt snowball, baby step, all the baby steps, and you have 4 weekly check-ins. I've included a transactions log on this page, and then a budget review. So I'm super excited about that. That is the March kit, and I did not match them because this is the colorful version. They were sold out the neutral version, which I would have gotten, but it really doesn't matter to me. So of course April is purple, but I actually did April in this beautiful artwork from TWG Designs. I had this artwork I was going to use for a sticker kit, which I still may do, but it's the same format as the March kit, but it's just this really beautiful rose floral artwork, and I just think it's so gorgeous. So, and then don't disregard this because it's going to look the exact same as this. I had changed the font, but this is just a test print. So, but with the kit I'm super excited about is actually the May kit. And these are all up in the shop now, including the June kit is up in the shop as well. The May kit is absolutely gorgeous. It's giving me all of the spring, Mother's Day, feminine vibes. Absolutely love it. I love the pop of green in it. So it's the same format as the previous kit. And I just think it's so gorgeous. So you can find all these in the shop now. That is, even the March one's up in the shop. So if you want a back budget or back plan, you can absolutely do that. But so those are they've actually been, they're not new releases for this week, but they're just new releases for the month. There's a helicopter flying overhead, so I hope you all don't hear that. But yeah, those are the newest additions to my shop as far as stickers go. Are the monthly budget kits, and I'm super excited about them. I'm going to come back in a video and lay down April. I may do kind of when I lay down March, I don't know if I'll do a video where I'm laying it down, but I'll definitely come back and at least show y'all the overview for how it looks laid down, because again, I'm just so in love with this artwork. It is just so bright, just so fun. And yeah, so you can find these in my shop at blissandfaith.com. And you sign up for my VIP list, you can get a 40% shop-wide coupon you can use. So I highly recommend doing that, and I send out kind of weekly to bi-weekly mailings with usually freebies, exclusive offers, coupon codes, shop updates. So feel free to sign up for that. And yeah, so those are the new releases kind of for the month or for the week. And I cannot wait to jump back on my channel and get it going and share even more with you all. I'm going to come back and do a little flip through of this planner in a little bit more detail. So I will pop back on and do that. But until next time, you all can find me over on Instagram as far as social media goes at Bliss and Faith. I'm actually at Bliss and Faith everywhere on social media. So you can find me at Bliss and Faith over on Instagram. That's where you'll get real-time updates on all things related to the Bliss and Faith brand, shop news, product sneak peeks, what's going on, and like my personal life and things like that. So I just have one social media, or just one handle. I don't have like a separate one for planning for my shop. So it's just Bliss and Faith that you can find me over on. Otherwise, you can find me over on my website, blissandfaith.com. And outside of that, y'all, thank you all so much for watching. Please thumbs up if you like it. If you want to see more videos, especially more videos like this on this topic, you have suggestions, I would love it. Like I said, I am going to come back and be doing some plan with me's. I'm going to be talking about like planners I've used. So I'm going to talk about that in the next video, about planners I've used and the planners I will be using and planners I will be sharing on this channel. Please subscribe, and yeah, I hope you'll stick around for the ride. I hope you're, if you're new here, hello. If you're not, then I hope you're happy to see me back. And if it's not your cup of tea, that's all right. But anyway, I'm happy that you're here, and I hope that you'll pop back on and continue to support and watch and learn something in the process. So until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Have an absolutely wonderful one.